Brad, where the hell's the candy?
Wait, first. You guys can have that today.
There's nothing good in there.
Plenty in there for you.
There's nothing good in there.
Brad, I want to buy some tools.
You're actually gonna buy tools?
I'm actually going to buy some tools as a gift for my new recruit. I got the Demo in the house. What's the best first tool?
A set of wrenches.
Shit. No, a ratchet, right?
A ratchet or a set of wrenches.
I'm thinking like a
Socket.
ratchet combo. Do you got any of those on sale?
Here's the one that Colby should have bought that he didn't.
Let's see it.
The one I bought.
Because don't you think that's the best first tool? Is this the standard length or is there a longer one?
The long one.
It's the long one? Oh shit, maybe he wants a green handle. No, nobody needs that. It gets in the way of shit. So, like the one that I have and the one that I use all the time?
Mm-hmm.
It's this length?
Yeah, that's a good set.
And then this is a quarter drive?
Mm-hmm.
What if I change out this quarter drive for your long ass quarter drive?
Then it'll cost you more money.
It'll cost, well, yeah, but... Okay, how much?
With or without the long quarter?
With and without, I guess. Looking for prices. Looking for pricing. Because I like Demo. I don't know if I like him that much. You know what I'm saying?
Who's Demo?
He's my new apprentice. You haven't met him? Oh, yeah, that's right. He only comes in the afternoons. What would you want to get for like a gift? That kit right there?
We'll get the 3.
Oh, yeah. Maybe with a 3/8 head on this.
Why don't you give him this and keep your extra long ratchet?
Oh yeah, you're devious. I like it. I like it, Brad. That's a good call.
It'd be an extra extra 20 bucks.
So what's the total on it?
$125.
Sold. I'll take it. So I went to the strip club on Friday. Brad, what are these?
90-degree flush cuts.
90-degree what?
Flush cuts.
Cutting what?
Wire.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Zip ties. Soft wire.
Oh, I see. Why do they have this opening like that?
I didn't engineer those. Couldn't tell you.
Okay, fair enough. Can you tell me more about strip clubs?
Battery charger.
A snap-on battery charger for like your phone and shit?
Yep.
That's cool. Does it come in red?
No.
Just black like this?
Yep.
And this is a screen that tells you what's up? Ooh.
Keep it 100.
Keep it 100. Can I jump start my car with this thing?
No.
I like that jump starter that you have. You sell a lot of those?
Yep.
Those are hot.
Oh, can't have it.
Please, Brad.
$200.
What, for this pile?
No, from the shirt on my back.
$200 for the shirt on your back?
Yep.
I want to be a Snap-on dealer. Can you teach me? Teach me the ways. When I retire, can I be a Snap-on dealer?
Join and be a Snap-on dealer right now.
Really? Sweet.
Okay, I need a payment.
Okay. You got my information.
How much? No.
You don't have wrapping services? I can wrap at the drop of a hat. How you like that? I come strapped with the... Sorry. No wrapping service? What happened to the green box? You sold it.
Hold it.
Oh, ooh, ooh. No. Yeah?
You buy that, and we swap that out.
Uh-huh.
I'll do that for...
Oh, it's so erotic. Don't you agree?
$95.
All right. 95 additional?
Yep.
Ah, no thanks.
Why? It's 20 bucks off. 20% off.
I don't want it. I don't want it that bad. Yep, sexy.
Just run my card on next week or Friday. And $30 is fine.
Oh, okay. $30?
Yeah, 30's good.
Friday?
On Friday. Or you can do it Monday.
Memorial Day, you're not going to be here, huh? I think I got stuff scheduled. I always do that, working on holidays.
No, I'm gonna run you on Friday.
That's good.
Only ran you $30 a day, and I'm gonna run you $30 on Friday.
What? Say what?
It's one of the better ones.
Somebody's looking for you.
For me?
Yep. It's Diego.
Oh, Diego.
So no other deals? That's it?
That's it. That's all she wrote.
Alright. Well, enjoy your vacation. Your days
Not
off.
vacation.
I mean, enjoy your
it's a-
memories. Enjoy your memories on Memorial Day.
It's a government holiday that
Uh-huh.
most of my shops are closed on.
Okay.
You just happen to be one of the rare weird people that work on it.
Am I the weirdest on your route? Bye, Brad. See you next time.